Hi guys, by the time you see this video I will already be home from the Country Week Table Tennis Championships. Chris and I had a great time. I played okay. I won more matches this time than I ever have, so that's a good thing for me. And here are some of the shots that I did. Mostly bad, but some of them were pretty good, at least the first couple in this video. There's only a couple of minutes to watch. I did lose both of these matches. They were just too good for me, and I really need to have another couple of sneaky serves in my repertoire. Without really good serves and really good footwork, you don't really have much of a chance against the better players. But look, it's all experience. I've only been playing for about 9 or 10 years, and yeah, I really enjoy it. So hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's back to work for me tomorrow. Over the 3-day weekend, I did go on to play 28 matches, and I probably won about 40%, maybe just a little bit less, and a few doubles as well. I managed to knock over a couple of kids. So one was a 12-year-old, I beat him, and I beat a 10-year-old and made him cry. But you've got to do that in these games. Hope you've enjoyed this quick little video of what I like to do in my spare time, and I'll see you back in my sewing room soon.